So Gary, we're sitting inside a van. What's going on? We don't normally sit inside a van.
I'd just like to correct you there, Joe. We're not sitting inside a van.
My apologies.
We're inside the brand studios.
Absolutely. So we've been building up to this for a little while. This has been bubbling away in the background. We've seen lots of pictures and lots of videos of this, but we're finally inside the brand studio. So the cab, Gaz, does this look any different to any other, let's say the word van now, that we've been in before?
No, this looks identical to every other van that I've been in a contracting electrician's position.
Beautiful look.
However, the little bit behind us is the unique brand studios that I think we're in a position now to show everybody.
Absolutely. So I think it's fair to say that from everything we've seen through videos and photos, it comes to life when you actually see it in the flesh. So I'm really excited to get out and actually have a look in the back now.
Okay, let's go.
So guys, we're here outside the brand studio. Now the signage looks absolutely fantastic and you're sure to be able to see this cruising down the road near you soon. But from the outside, I've got to be honest, it just looks like a van.
I've got to be careful with that word van, because when we open this up, and that's what we're going to do next, we're going to reveal all of those magical things inside the brand studios.
It's pretty impressive inside, isn't it?
It's super impressive.
Let's open it up and have a look.
Sooner the better. So then, Joe, we've revealed the brand studios.
Absolutely, we've got it all opened up, and I'm sure you'll agree that inside here, this looks absolutely amazing. We've got a cable tray going around the inside, which leaves us super flexible for doing different installations and different reviews of things. But also, what have we got around the edge here, Gaz?
So we went to Unibox up in Manchester, and we saw Nick Wraith up there. And what we've got is backlit LED technology in these panels. So we've got panels with static light behind them, and panels where the light actually moves. So we're going to have moving graphics, Joe, inside the actual brand studios.
And at the minute, this looks very, very simple. We're going to see some pretty incredible stuff coming out of here. We've seen the rough footage of that coming, and that's going to look absolutely fantastic. What's the advantage, though, Gaz, of this backlit panel here? What can we do with that at a moment's notice?
So we can take it and we can peel off, and you can see there the backlit technology behind it and the LEDs, and we can change these skins for, say, domestic, commercial, industrial, or to match the brand maybe that we're doing a discussion or a teardown on.
That's it. So when we're shooting those videos, that helpful footage for electricians, then hopefully we'll be able to have a suitable backdrop for it. So that's really exciting for us. So you may also have noticed behind us, we've got a couple of other interesting things going on. So first thing, what do we got over here, Gaz?
I'm surprised you pointed that out, Joe. We've got an Apprentice Wall. I think it's more of an electrical challenge wall. Yeah, okay, I like the term Apprentice Wall. It brings us back to our roots, I think. So what we've got here is a leaderboard. I think these are magnetic, these peel off. And they are magnetic. Change the position. That's it. To see who's leading. Now, can you just run through the current leaderboard?
Well, again, we've just picked some random names, so these don't mean anything. We've got this guy, Joe, whoever that is. He's at the top with a time of 7 minutes, 32 seconds. Gordon and Steve, whoever they are. And down at the bottom, we've picked this fourth random name out of a hat. We've got Gary down here in fourth place. And I don't know if you noticed here that the timing is quite long on that one. So over 3 days for whatever this was. So that's going to be interesting to find out.
So it will be interesting to find out, but to find out what these times link to and this leaderboard, we're going to need to take these panels out, Joe.
We absolutely are, because if you look up above your head there, Gaz, you'll notice a couple of time clocks. Now those time clocks are very, very important for what we're about to reveal next. So I think it's time, Gaz, that we remove these two panels and see what's lurking behind there.
So Joe, we've taken off our Unibox backlit LED panels to reveal what in front of us.
To reveal the Apprentice Wall Challenge. So this is the opportunity for you, the electrician, to come and have a go at doing some installation work and test your skill against the clock. So we saw those timers earlier, guys.
That makes sense.
Now obviously we want everything to be above board and fair, so we will start the countdown timer for you, and once that timer's started, you carry out the installation work. Once you're finished, Gaz.
Yeah, it's all down to you to press the stop button, freeze your time.
Absolutely.
And that time will be transferred over to the leaderboard.
Yep.
Well, I can see someone's been a little jovial already with Gary, 3 days, 7 hours, 16 minutes and 20 seconds, Joe.
I'm pretty sure these names were just chosen at random, Gaz, so I wouldn't read too much into that. High-level paranoia there, maybe. However, if you get a really good time and you finish top of the leaderboard, not only do you have the honour of doing that, which is pretty cool in itself, but also there are some fantastic prizes to be won from time to time. So we strongly recommend that you come over, have a go, because the prize is worth winning in reality.
We've got some great visuals, two lovely boards to test and race against. However, when I'm working, I love lovely audio. Yeah,
we had a bit of music on in the background while we were building these, didn't we?
We did.
It was very nice. So in the van, we've got built in our Lith Audio Bluetooth speakers, so you can have some music on while we're working away. So we strongly recommend that you come down and have a go at the challenge wall and see if you can finish at the top of the leaderboard.
Okay then, Joe. I think that's enough of the tour of the van.
Absolutely.
I think it's about time us and eFIXX go out there and create some new connections.
Let's do it.
Let's go.